Hey everybody, it's Clayton here from Zappos.com, and I know you're trying to be the coolest kid out on the splash pad this summer, so you should go check out this. It's the Ultrak 1 from Geox Kids. This sandal is made for land or for water. It's got 3 hook and loop straps on the upper. Check it out, you get that super secure fit, and it makes it really easy to get on and off, especially in combination with that heel tab. The uppers are made from polyester, and you've got some mesh in there with a microporous membrane and built in, which is going to expel any sweat, but it's going to keep water out. How cool is that? Going to keep your foot nice and dry. On the inside, we've got a breathable mesh lining, which is going to make sure your foot stays nice and cool. And down in the footbed, we got that cushioned EVA to make sure your foot is nice and supported. Oh, did I mention too, this thing is super lightweight. It weighs next to nothing, so your foot's going to have energy all day long. And all of that sits on top of a durable, perforated EVA outsole to make sure you're breathable, but you've got enough traction to stay on your feet. So for all that summertime support, cool style, and tons of functionality, you should pick these up. You definitely will be the coolest kid on the splash pad. They're from Geox Kids.